Do you use the VIX when you're trading Nasdaq? If not, you should. This is the VIX chart right here on the left, and here is Nasdaq. I want to show you something. We have figured out a way to determine if the VIX is possibly going to turn around. And people are like, what? The VIX measures fear and greed. How would you know when it's going to turn around? They want you to think it measures fear and greed, but people are watching it and they're seeing it and they're using it in ways that most aren't. And if you look at this right here, this is a 4-hour end cap. This is an automated thing. This is a system. It's patent pending. We use it on everything. And I'm going to show you, watch it generate. I want you to see that it generates. See? Boom, there it goes. This is the 4-hour zone here, right? And then when price comes up and hits it and rejects it, watch what I'm going to show you what happens with NQ on the right, or S&P 500 did the same thing, but I trade NQ. So we come up, we hit it, we reject it, and we start dropping down, right? So we reject it, and then we stop dropping down, and we break below this zone. Well, here's NQ on the right. This rejection of the end cap started to drop the VIX, which caused what to happen? NQ to rise. It's that simple. If you don't trade the VIX, you need to start trading it now. If you don't use the first light beacon, you're insane.